guys, today I will be opening these 3 giant Meemaw boxes that I got. So first is this giant Meemaw thing, this like plushie thing, and this minifigure. So first I will be opening the minifigure. This is so cute, but unfortunately I actually already have this, but it's fine. So that's the first one. Now for the plushie. I'm kind of bad at opening these. Hold on. Sorry, cat box. I'm ruining you. Oof. So these are the ones I can collect. These 4 and these 4. Now let's see what I got. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, guys. I got this fire one. Let's see what it's called. I got the fire cat. Guys, that's so cute. And this one's like so fluffy and cute. Now, finally for the big one. Let me just put everything to the side. So this one has a minifigure, a squishy, a plushie, stickers, and a figure after now. Hold on. I gotta try to open this. Oof. There's so much stuff. Guys, look at the stickers. These are so cute. Anyways, so that was the stickers. Now, there's a bunch of these mini containers. So let's open this one first. I think it's the squishy. Yep, it's the squishy. So guys, you can see it's gonna be me. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cute. It's like a water one. Look how cute that is. Now next is this one, which I think it's gonna be the figure. Let's open it. Are you kidding me? Oh, I thought it was the same one that I got from that minifigure thing. Look how cute this is. This is literally adorable. I thought it was like the same one as that apple thing. That's why I said, are you kidding me? Okay, now I think this is the figure of Afnap. I'm not sure. Oops. This is the figure. It's Afnap with green hair. Now, last but not least, the plushie. And this big fat bag. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I got a gold one. That's so cool. Guys, look at this gold one I got. It's rare. Or, I don't know what it's called. Rare. It's rare. That's so cool. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And, I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you liked the video, type in the comments, I liked the video. Okay, anyways, bye.